Ever stared at your tax return and screamed, "Why is this telling me incorrect details?" Stick around, because we're about to untangle those common tax discrepancies and get you filing with confidence. First up, let's talk about your income. A very common culprit for incorrect details lies in misreported wages. This could be from a previous employer who made a mistake on your W-2. Or perhaps you've forgotten about a small side hustle that issued you a 1099 form. Always double-check your income statements against what you actually earned. If there's a mismatch, contact the payer immediately to get a corrected statement. Next, deductions and credits can be a minefield of errors. Did you correctly calculate your business expenses? Are you sure you're eligible for that child tax credit or education expense deduction? Misinterpreting the rules or simply making a calculation error here happens more often than you'd think. Refer to the IRS guidelines or consult a tax professional to ensure you're claiming what you're rightfully entitled to, and nothing more. Another frequent mistake is with personal information. Simple typos in your social security number, name, or address can cause major headaches. Even a transposed digit can lead to your return being flagged as incorrect before you submit. Do a thorough review of all personal details to ensure they match your official identification documents precisely. Finally, let's address filing status. Choosing the wrong filing status, like head of household when you don't qualify, can significantly alter your tax liability. Understand the criteria for each status if you're unsure. The IRS provides tools to help you determine the most accurate status for your situation. Rectifying these common discrepancies ensures accuracy, keeps you compliant, and saves you from potential penalties or unwelcome audits. Remember, accuracy truly matters when it comes to your taxes.